In 1968, a fake police officer pulled off the most audacious heist in Japanese history. A bank transport car was driving through Tokyo when a motorcycle cop flagged them down. Emergency situation. Someone had planted a bomb under their vehicle. The officer was convincing. Perfect uniform, authentic radio codes. He knew exactly how real police operated. He ordered the guards to evacuate immediately while he crawled under the car to defuse the explosive device. The guards ran for cover. Minutes later, they watched in horror as the officer jumped into their vehicle and drove away. 300 million yen vanished. $7 million in today's money. This wasn't luck. The thief had studied police procedures for months. He knew which car carried the biggest cash load. He timed the heist perfectly during shift changes. Japan launched their largest manhunt ever. 300,000 investigators. 110,000 suspects questioned over decades. The case remains completely unsolved. The perfect criminal who knew every detail except one thing: how to get caught.